Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Bad Ideas Garage. My name is Steven and that's my daily driver. And the battery recently went flat when I was playing in the car with my son. I decided it's probably time to replace the OEM battery because that's a 2017 and it's probably way past its warranty. So I decided to go with this EverStart Walmart battery. It actually has a 4-year warranty on it. I did go with an AGM battery, so AGM batteries are slightly different than lead acid batteries that you'd normally get. They do last a little bit longer. This was 175 bucks. I thought about going with an Optima, which is about 269 for a Group 35. I just wanted something that was going to last a little bit longer, but this actually had a 1-year warranty more, even though it only has 650 versus 720 cold cranking amps, but that's going to be more than enough for my application here. The battery's right here. This is a very easy process, and everything in this, because, you know, it's a Japanese car, you can actually replace with your handy dandy 10 millimeter wrench. So first thing that I always recommend is the negative battery terminal. There we go. Okay. Get that right out of the way. And then same thing over here. There we go. Get that right out of the way. This is just a little bit of, like, I guess a padding, or a little bit more quiet and vibration. So that one was really easy. Okay. Just loosening these up. So this little hook right here just hooks right over there, and right here just have to get it out enough, just like that. And then in theory, this should pop right out, although batteries have a tendency to really be difficult to grab. I'm just going to grab this whole entire thing, if I can. And there goes my wrench. Oh, these are always such a pain in the butt. Okay, there we go. Whew, okay, and keeping note that, you know, where the positive side is, it's also not a bad idea to, you know, maybe clean out some stuff that's in here. So I'm going to take a vacuum cleaner and just suck this out. All right, so there is really no graceful way to get this in. Make sure that, you know, you don't accidentally make a connection here and keep these on. I may or may not have just shocked myself right there. I like that this one has a handle, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this little thing on. Try to just put it on before getting the battery in, but after the battery is in. And again, this is not totally necessary, but it is helpful. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the connector on first before I get these cables on as well. And, you know, these should just hook right there and right here. Okay, that was fun. So I do confirm that this goes underneath that. Again, leave these on because as you're negotiating this in, you don't want to accidentally ground yourself out like I might have done a little bit ago. But yeah, this is a little bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be. This is probably a time to go grab a socket set. This keeps kind of flying out here, just like that. Oh my gosh. All right, that was fun. Okay, so these posts, so I didn't look at them before I pulled them off. They actually head out the side. Trying to have them go up the top. This one actually has a little bit of a marker there. You can actually see it better over here, that this post, the hook goes in the bottom and then comes up the side right here. So that's the reason why I was struggling to get this in. And then, again, 12 mil. And again, I recommend leaving these caps on and getting this all tied down first, in the event that, well, that one won't go any higher. In the event that you do need to negotiate these around like I did. And then now that this is open-ended, or this is getting to the bottom of my socket, I'm going to be using this wrench here. Yeah, we're almost done. All right, so you just want to make sure that this is tight. You don't want to, you know, overly tighten it or whatever, but I normally like to just go snug and then maybe like a, you know, a quarter turn or eighth turn right there. But once that's on, I'm gonna start with the negative terminal here. So these just should pop right off. Sometimes there's a little thing on the outside. Wow. I'm really batting 1,000 today, aren't I? All right, so I just have to put a little bit more effort into it. Pop this down, hook this right up. Make sure the cable routing is all happy and hunky-dory. Of course, these posts are very, very clean, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this right up. Oh, that one's... Again, you don't want to tighten these too tight. You just want to make sure that they're gonna be snug and stay. It's because this is a little bit of a softer metal on these usually. This again, okay, that one was way easier to get off. If it sparks a little bit also, I mean, really nothing should be on, but every once in a while when you hook up a battery, you'll get a little bit of spark there. Just make sure again that you're not touching this side. I like that this has a little protector on it. There we go. So in theory, I should now be able to go walk up to this car. There, yep. There we go. Your radio resets will probably get reset in the process, but everything looks good. All right, and of course, you'll make sure that all your tools are out of the way.